We want to factor this one by grouping. And so when we do factoring by grouping, you always take the first number times the last number. So 6 times -2 is going to be -12. So now I want to find two numbers that multiply to make -12, but add to be +13. So the factors, I would have 1 and 12, I would have 2 and 6, or I would have 3 and 4. Now we know that one of these needs to be negative because the product we got was -12. So we're looking for a combination that's going to allow us to get 13. Now what you might be thinking is, oh, it's got to be the first one because 1 plus 12 equals 13. However, be careful. Remember that one of these numbers is going to have to be negative because the number, when we multiplied 6 times -2, we got -12, which means that one of these is going to have to be negative. Well, if one of these is negative, that means it's no longer going to add up to 13. If I have -1 or -12, when I add it, I'm not going to get 13 anymore. And that's not going to work with 2 and 6 or 3 and 4 either. So we have a case here where none of the combinations are going to allow us to get the middle term of 13. When that happens, that's going to tell us that this cannot be factored. And so if we have something like this that cannot be factored, then what we're going to say about this is that this one is going to be prime, cannot be factored. So that's going to happen when none of the combinations will work. So again, the reason why that is because I have -12, not +12, which means that one of these would have to be negative. There's no combination here with negatives and positives that would add up to 13. Therefore, it cannot be factored, so it's prime.